Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning knows that when commercial air conditioning goes down, the impact is immediate and costly. Tenants start calling. Customers leave sooner. Productivity drops. Every minute your system is offline means lost revenue and trust. The real cost goes beyond repairs. It's unhappy tenants, lost sales, and potential health and safety risks. Most AC failures happen because of inconsistent maintenance. A quick fix today can turn into repeated breakdowns if the root cause isn't addressed. That's why preventive maintenance and a reliable service partner matter. For over 90 years, Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning has been keeping Cedar Rapids businesses running smoothly. We specialize in commercial systems with priority emergency response and maintenance contracts that prevent downtime. With Novak, you get upfront pricing, thorough documentation, and true 24-hour emergency service. No voicemails, no waiting. Don't wait for your next breakdown. Protect your business with Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning. Call us today at 319-364-4626 and experience zero downtime surprises.